Sleeping soundly. Top tips for neck pain relief. Quality sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. But for those suffering from neck pain, getting a restful night's sleep can be a challenge. Neck pain can result from various factors such as poor posture, muscle strain, or underlying medical conditions. However, with the right strategies, you can alleviate discomfort and improve sleep quality. In this video, we'll explore some of the best sleep tips for managing neck pain, including the use of the Arc4life Traction V Pillow. Invest in supportive pillows. Choosing the right pillow can make a significant difference in reducing neck pain. Traditional pillows may not adequately support the neck and spine, leading to discomfort and stiffness. This is where specialized pillows like the Arc4life Traction V Pillow come in handy. Designed to promote proper spinal alignment, this unique pillow features a V-shaped indentation that cradles the neck and provides gentle traction. By supporting the natural curve of the neck, it helps alleviate pressure and tension, allowing for a more comfortable and restful sleep. Maintain proper sleep posture. Poor sleeping posture can exacerbate neck pain and contribute to spinal misalignment. To prevent strain on the neck and spine, it's essential to maintain a neutral sleep position. When lying on your back, use pillows to support the natural curvature of your neck and keep your spine aligned. Optimize your sleep environment. Creating a sleep-friendly environment can significantly impact your ability to sleep well, especially when dealing with neck pain. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet to promote optimal sleep conditions. Invest in a supportive mattress and consider using mattress toppers or pillows specifically designed for pain relief. Neck pain can disrupt sleep and affect your overall quality of life. But by incorporating these sleep tips into your routine, you can find relief and improve your sleep quality. Investing in a supportive pillow like the Arc4life Traction V Pillow, maintaining proper sleep posture, practicing relaxation techniques, and optimizing your sleep environment can make a significant difference in alleviating neck pain and promoting restful sleep. Prioritize self-care and listen to your body's needs to ensure you get the restorative sleep you deserve.